Follow me around for the week of January 18th, 2020. And my challenge this week is to see if I can figure out the software of Loom. We're wasting time. Hello hotties, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Mack, and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. So a lot of events going on this week, so let's get into it. I'm going to open it up with Cami, and here you see you have a warm-up question. So my challenge this week is to learn how to use Loom, and I'm really happy to say it's super user-friendly. And to be honest, it is free for all educators. You just have to verify your account. And as you can see, oh Lord help me, I'm not really wanting people to see me right now because I look crazy. But I can fix that. I can click on this little doodad and change to my Bitmoji character. Anyway, so you can get this so it's downloaded to your computer. You also can get the extension, and I'll leave a link below on a tutorial on how to do that. But basically it is super duper easy. You just simply start recording. Well, it's about to record, you'll see. I might say something like, hey kids, I am going to show you how to do this assignment on iReady. Some of you might have seen this last week, but I'm going to go through it with you in the future. I'm going to assign you Form B, and you should be able to do it perfectly. Now, as you can see, I can hit the pause button, and I can talk to you now, and it has a place to annotate. And I'm just happy that this did not take me the entire week to learn how to do here, just to make this more personal. I am so glad that this didn't take me the whole week to do. Now, when we returned to school, I had to present on different technologies teachers could use with their virtual kids, and I shared all about Loom. And my goal was to be able to use it proficiently, and so that's what I'm doing. And I hope it can help some of y'all because it's super duper really easy. And say you don't have a YouTube channel yet, this might be a great way for you to do tutorials or show off how to make clip art or whatever. So just a thought for you. And all my already content creators, maybe you could use this to add variety to your videos. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, about to make this tutorial for my students. Happy Martin Luther King Day. I'm enjoying my day off, but I still got a good bit of work done, so it was productive. So now I'm going to relax. I'm excited about learning Loom the first day of the week that I challenged myself to learn it. So I'm sure there's way more to learn, but I'm excited about the tutorials I made. And now I need to figure out how to do them quicker so they're not just so long and drawn out, and I'm sure very boring to the kids. All right, talk to you later.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
Got so much done. Now it's time to go pick up children for the lecture.
Straight edge on it, so it's very easy.
All my meetings were canceled, so I get to go home on time today. Yippee! And I've been in such a good mood today, like a really good mood. Hopefully it stays that way. dressed up for Inauguration Day. if everything goes as planned, we will have a new president by the time today is over. So fingers crossed, no funny business, nothing like that. And I also released a video today. Well, it'll be published at 10 a.m. So about 1 hour my time before the inauguration. Anyway, I better get to my morning ritual. Happy Inauguration Day.
The Constitution of the United States. Constitution of the United States. So help you God? So help me God. Congratulations, Mr. President.
It's been a very long day. Look at my hair. I cannot wait till I can get a real haircut. Hey y'all, my students are kicking booty on their test. I have called at least a dozen parents because their child got a 100 on my test. And this sweet little girl brought me a gift. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right. Whoop. Look at this. Let's see what else. Ooh, it's a chocolate apple. And I know I'm just too excited. Oh, look at this. It says, thanks for helping me grow. Man, it's so nice. And we have, don't make me use my teacher voice. Oh, don't we all have that? And that's it. Pretty paper. What a sweet little Valentine's happy. I was going to rearrange my desks. The only problem is, when I got in there, the computer wouldn't turn on. So the seating chart and the desk arrangement I had set up that I was going to do quickly is on there. And I knew that I was trying to get out of here early or on time, and to create a whole new seating chart and layout, plus rearrange furniture, I just said forget it. Hopefully I can get it to turn on tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Friday. Just got done rearranging my room. Now I gotta tidy up just a little bit and write the things on the desk. All done. And the Friday tradition is not just to walk out, but to run. So here I go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below a new skill you would like to learn in the 2021 school year. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video, and you guys have the best day ever. Goodbye.